Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec / fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space C: / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Type attrib C: / boot / bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C: / boot / bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.